This is Barcelona, Catalonia, Europe. These people behind me are Catalans. We, the Catalans, are taking back the streets to protest peacefully, over and over again. And why are we doing this? Basically because we're European citizens and we believe in European values, freedom, democracy, and human rights. We, as Catalans, have always stood for social rights, public health, equality for women, and education. We are an open society made up of people from all around the world. We are pacifists, and we have shown this to the world in mass demonstrations. Sadly, all of these values are under attack right now, here in Catalonia, my home. Just a few days ago, October the 1st, the Spanish government deployed thousands of police to stop the independence referendum. They assaulted polling stations. They beat senior citizens and young people. And they seized ballot boxes. What crime had these people committed? Going out to vote. Only asking for their voices to be heard, just like the Scottish did not that long ago. The Catalan government requested many times to the Spanish parliament to agree to a referendum, but Mariano Rajoy rejected any kind of dialogue. As support for independence rocketed, the Catalan parliament made a call for a referendum. The Spanish government declared the vote illegal. Thousands of police were sent to seize ballot papers, raid pro-independence media offices, shut down hundreds of websites, and arrested 14 Catalan government officials without any court orders. As Catalans attempted to vote peacefully, Spanish police used a degree of force never seen before in a European member state. Despite threats and violence, we managed to vote at the end. 2.3 million people, 90% of us in favor of independence. Spanish officials, including the king, have not condemned police violence. Quite the opposite. They have arrested the two leading civil society figures of the pro-independence movement. They are being accused of sedition and face up to 15 years in prison. Further crackdowns are threatened if we continue to pursue our freedom. We are European citizens just like you, and we need your help to defend democracy and freedom. Please, don't look away. What's happening here in Catalonia, it's not a Spanish internal affair. It concerns to each and every European citizen. Share this video with your friends, family, and representatives. Now, before it's too late, help Catalonia, save Europe.